So guys, we are back to home. I'm super happy and safe. Pepe wants to share something about his experience.
Yes, I really enjoy them. They're real nice people. We went and preached to the youth group there, and they say they want to do it again, maybe sometime next month, because they really want to know about Jesus, want to know about the gospel, want to learn the Bible, and that's my passion. That's what we like to do, we love to do, we love to serve the community church. So thank you, Sky, and like I said, we really enjoy Aaron and Allison and Maria. They like that place, I like that place, so it was so amazing.
I feel a lot of peace. A peace when I hear the river, the birds, with enjoy with my kids, with some brothers and sisters.
And it's real safe place also. They keep all the area pretty much real clean. There's stores around, and also there's a store on the hill there you can rent kayaks, and so it's real nice place to go, and real safe.
Can you repeat the city? Bullsbury?
Yeah, we're gonna post the address. We're gonna post the city and all, guys, and y'all can Google, and y'all gonna find a bunch of pictures there where people go and spend a little time there.
So I'm gonna share this video with all us love, and thank you so much, guys, and God bless you. Bye.
Wow. This is looking nice. I like it. I like it.
Look, guys, how beautiful is. Oh my goodness, I love this place. Be careful, be careful. It's a little bit chilly. So here's Aaron and Allison.
Hi. Hi.
Oh my goodness.
La batería un poco más avanzado.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Look, guys, here's Pepe, Allison, and Aaron. How you can feel the peace on this river. Super beautiful. Look, Pepe. He wants to take some pictures. Super beautiful.
Claro, hermana. Hermana, mire aquí cocinando para los jóvenes. Aquí para los jóvenes de Casa Familiar Church en Kernersville, Carolina del Norte. Para todos aquellos que nos visitan a través del canal de nuestra hermana María. Que el Señor les bendiga.
Amén, amén.
Cuando tengan una oportunidad y me invitan a su casa.
Claro que sí.
Y podemos compartir.
Uno, ya, papi,
That was close! Tarán, tarán, tarán.
He did it.
No, he's gonna fall.
He drowned.
You're gonna die.
Look, Spider. Spider-Man Pepe.
Okay.
So he's there. He wants a picture. He's a Spider-Man Pepe. Oh my goodness! Look how beautiful. So he's down now.
I want to go down.
But here, here's a stick.
I think I can go down.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna hit the floor.
Allison found a feather.
I found it over here. I'm now putting the stick. I found it over here.
So guys, look, we are here on Bellsbury, I think the name is. We are enjoy with Family Church.
It's a Danbury.
Denver.
Danbury.
Denver.
North Carolina.
North Carolina are beautiful. I love this city.
Yes,
I like it.
It's real beautiful. I came to share something with the youth here, the church family. So I shared the gospel. We enjoyed that moment, but also we enjoying this beautiful place here. You like it, Maria?
Yes, I love it. I love the creation of God. We eat hamburgers. Yeah, they're delicious.
They're good.
So, and Allison and Aaron both are playing. Oh my goodness. So guys, Pepe, he loves pictures. So he asked me, can I take picture in that rock? But Allison say, Papi, you scare me. And Pepe say, well, take me a picture. And Allison say, okay, Papi, bye. So that guys is so super funny.
I like you, John.
There's Maria, Allison, and Aaron. Wow, this is a beautiful place. Look, guys, those trees right there. And there is Allison and Aaron. It's a little chilly, so it's just raining, just a little bit, sprinkling, but they still enjoying it. Oh Lord, this place is so nice, real nice. Hello, Alisa. So guys, we finished. We're fixing to go home, and it's raining. It's real chilly here, so we're ready to go back. We really enjoy it. We're gonna be back in this place. I mean, we just like it. It's a family place.
Definitely.
We enjoy it. And the water is so clean. It's so nice. They keeping the stuff here real nice. And so see you soon.